Hey there, fellow entrepreneur. Let's talk done-for-you Superfunnel Academy. Yes, the magical money-making machine that turns clicks into cash. Now I get it. Building a funnel from scratch. Kind of a headache, right? Figuring out tech, designing pages, writing copy. It's enough to make you want to take a nap. Well, guess what? James Renouf and Max Gerstenmeyer have cracked the code with their DFY Superfunnel Academy, and it's an absolute game changer. That means no stress, no confusion, just plug, play, and start seeing results. Here's what you get inside. Ready to go, your own branded super funnel, a funnel that is proven to convert seriously. They've done all the hard work for you. Step-by-step guidance. Even if you're brand new to this, you'll be up and running in no time. They provide traffic strategies, so you're not just sitting there hoping people show up. And of course, real results from a system that's built to make sales. Listen, if you've ever wanted to finally crack the code on making passive income online, this is your shot. I've got a special link that'll get you in right now. Just check out the description below, sign up, and let's get you started. But don't wait too long, because the sooner you jump in, the sooner you can start seeing results. See you on the inside. Now check below for your link.